Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crochet Fashion Area. I hope you all guys will be fine and safe. Where we dive into the mesmerizing world of crochet creativity. Too damn thrilled to share with you some breathtaking crochet design that will inspire your next project. But before we unravel this yarn feel adventure, let's jump right into the colorful and cozy world of crochet design. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey with us? Let's begin the journey in today's video. We are going to explore our best crochet collection for women. We have different types of crochet design. If you want to see different crochet design, you must visit our channel. There we regularly explore our new crochet design. In this video we show you the some crochet doll dress designs collection. We have some unique collection of crochet doll dress designs collection. These all collection are very useful. These collection will definitely helps you to improve your personality. These are all handmade crochet doll dress designs collection. These all design are very beautiful and stunning designs collection. You can see the beauty of these crochet doll dress designs collection. New ideas crochet designs collection, beautiful and different combination crochet doll dress designs collection. Beautiful different color crochet all designs collection. I hope you will enjoy the video. Do not forget to subscribe the bell icon and also join our growing family. Our every video is a new adventure for you. Thanks for watching my video.